What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. All right, today's video is going to be a little different. Ghostek was kind enough to send over the case lineup for the Galaxy S10. I always appreciate the companies that work with the smaller creators. Only problem, which I'm bummed about, they sent it for the Galaxy S10. I have an S10. Oh, this case looks so bad. I just love it. I have an S10 Plus. So these cases I can't really review, but we're going to go through the lineup anyway. I'm going to send them back, and hopefully they can send the same ones over for the S10 Plus. So all the links to these cases will be in the description. I just want to go through the lineup with y'all because they were kind enough to send them over. All right, before we get into the lineup, and the lineup is looking pretty sweet, go ahead and subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Content will be rolling out. People are hitting me up to send me stuff, so that's pretty cool. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. All right, this is going to run long because I'm looking at 6 cases. Now, these are not reviews because I haven't used them. All right, the Covert 3. This appears to be, I already took it out, the slim case. It's clear. What does it have a color to it? This is red. It has red accents, if you could see. Obviously, it's not going to fit on my phone because it's just too small. Too small because I had an S10 Plus, but clear, low profile, bendable TPU style case. Looks like it has some shock protection on the corners. Certain things I'm not going to be able to tell you. I don't know if it raises above the screen or not because I don't have an S10. But this is normally the kind of case I use because I like that low profile. I'm not going to go too hard because I haven't used it, so I can't say how good it is, but I can tell you this: I did save the cases I'm most interested for last, so stay tuned. All right, we got the Cloak 4, Rage Red. That's the color, if you guys can see. Rage Red. Let's get into it. Compatible with the Galaxy S10. Drop tested, non-slip grip, military grade. This is seems to be one step up from the Covert 3 as far as protection, because the back is kind of like it's a little harder. It's just not, you can't just, well, I guess you can, but it seems like it's a harder plastic, offers a little more protection, a lot less bendy, a lot less flexible, not as much give, but it's not a heavy duty case. Not going to give you too much bulk to your phone. So this is the Cloak 4, and I really like Ghostek, man. I reviewed it on my other gaming channel that I abandoned. I reviewed a backpack from Ghostek, the NRG bag. All right, Cloak 4. Let's keep going. Now this one, now we're getting to the ones that I have interest in because these last 4 cases offer something different than the usual. So Atomic Slim 2. What's different? Aluminum frame for those in the UK. Aluminium frame, military grade. I checked this one out and I said, oh, this is the one right here. This is the one. This is why I'm bummed, because I can't use these cases. Hopefully they get sent over to other ones. If not, I'm a small creator. I'd understand. At least I got to make some content from what they have. This one, okay, so this part is metal, aluminum. So it has that cold feel when you pick it up in the morning. I can just tell it's sweet. And then it has the plastic. So this is a 2-part deal. I don't want to take the plastic out. I think it's a 2-part deal. Maybe not. Well, if it is, oh yeah, I'm sure it is. Yeah, it is. I don't want to take it out because I'm going to send these back. You know, they didn't ask for them back, but I'm going to send them back with the hopes of getting one for the S10 Plus. All right. Yeah, this is the one. I have a lot of interest in this case just because of the aluminum frame, and it has the bendable style in here. Clear, shows off the phone. Color is black. That's cool. Deep black. And it is a very deep black, if you guys can see in the video. It's like jet black. All right, let's keep it pushing. Man, I want to review these. And if they do send them over, and they send over all 6 cases, you're going to get 6 different videos. I'm going to do a review. I'm not going to do the lineup again. I'm going to just go through a review. All right, this one is a little different. The Nautical 2. What makes this one different? Extreme proof. Water that looks like a snowflake. I don't know what that is right there, but it's serious. And drop protection. This one, I opened it up. I was like, what is going on here? Okay, so this is like a serious 2-part deal here. Yeah, you can't have a screen protector because it offers screen protector. This is the front, not the back. All right. I don't even know if I repacked this back. Thank God I opened it up and looked at it, because this would have really threw me for a loop just opening it up without knowing what I was getting. All right, let's see what we got here. So how this works, this is the back. You can see the camera cutouts. It looks pretty fresh. It's for people who, you know what I mean, going to the beach, extreme sports. If you do a lot of stuff with water, this is really going to help you out. It just snaps like this. Let's get this snapped and show you how it looks. I've never been a fan of cases that have like the front screen protector. I'm not going to hold you like this. I can guarantee you, I'm not the extreme sport guy or the nautical guy. So this case definitely would not be for me. But guess what? I would review it and try it out just to see. Yeah, that front guy, that's not my style. The front screen protector built into the case. But you know what? For a lot of people, it's going to save their $1,000 purchase. Okay, I'm gonna break this bad boy. I'll put disassemble this a little later so we can, you know, not make this video 2 hours long. All right, now we're getting to the final two. Iron armor, drop tested, military grade, lifetime warranty. Look at the extras. Swivel kickstand holster. That's in different languages. All right, let's check it out. And this is one of the ultimate protection ones. This is, now I'll show you something. All right, it comes with this guy right here. This is not, I would never use that. I'm not attaching my phone to my hip. I'm just not that old yet. But let's see if we can get it out. All right, Ghostek, man, they got a beast lineup. Let's be honest. What company has a lineup with this much variety? All right. This is one of those like rugged armor, heavy duty cases, but not as bulky as some of the ones that you've seen. So this is what color is this? Let's see what they call it. They call it, I don't know. It's blue. Okay. We're just going to go with blue. All right. So it has the kickstand that you get that click, that snap. There's stuff all over the place. I just looked at the camera. This video looks like it's a mess. Yeah, if you're looking for that ultimate protection, this is going to do it for you. This is going to do it for you, but it's kind of has a slim profile. It's more like the back has that ultimate protection look. And then the case itself is, I don't know. I really want to try this on the phone just to see how it feels, how bulky it'll be. Normally these cases aren't my jam, but when you're somewhere and you're going to need a lot of protection, you're going to need one of these. Let's slip this back. Slip this back in. Let's see how we do this here. All right, thanks for rocking with me. If you stuck to the end, shout out to you. Actually, I got a little bonus for you if you stick to the end. All right, last one. This is the most interesting to me. This is the Exec 3 Storm Gray. This is like a wallet case, 3-card wallet, one of these folio cases, but it's different. I've never seen one like this. This one has me most interested. Now, I'm not big on wallet cases. I'll explain to you guys why. I feel like the advantage a man has is he don't got to keep everything in a purse, you know, wallet, phone, all that. So I just never been with the idea if you lose your phone, you lose your credit card, you lose your ID, and whatever else you have in there, you know. I've lost my wallet before, but I had my phone to call around to see where I had it. I couldn't imagine losing, you know, all of them at the same time. That's why I'm not big on wallet cases. But this looks amazing. It's just this material here. It doesn't cover the whole phone like most of them. And you just flip it open and there's space in here for 3 cards. It's a good look. The Exec 3 is a good look. Look, not just because, you know what I mean, they sent me these cases. Ghostek makes a beast lineup. They make a beast lineup of cases. I haven't used them, so I can't necessarily vouch for them, but just from eyeball test, yes. And they sent me 2 more, which I'm definitely not going to be able to use. I'm sending these back too. I'll show you why I won't be able to use them. Yeah, I'm not sure why they sent me these. I told them not to. They sent me cases for the Note 10, and I have no intentions on getting the Note 10. But they sent me the same case in a couple different colors for the Note 10. The has the R2X impact technology, the Covert 3. They sent me the Covert 3 in 3 different colors. Clearish red, like a smoke gray type of color and like a pink. So yeah, this is their lineup. I know this is a mess right now, but yeah, hopefully I can review 6 of these cases for the S10 Plus. I'm gonna send these back. Thanks for rocking with me if you've been here this long. Appreciate it. That's the case lineup. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.